everyone, this is Umair and I welcome you to my YouTube channel How To. Today we are going to learn a new skill that how we can create a Notion flowchart. First of all, we need to know that why we should create Notion flowchart. It is especially for freelancers that for example I am going to Fiverr and I am going to search here Notion. So you can check that there are 717 services available. So there is this field is not saturated yet, and it is going to increase in coming days. So everyone must learn this new skill. And on upper call, I will also search Notion. So you can see here there are 568 jobs found. So it means this is going to increase in coming days and there are not much services available, so everyone should learn this skill. So first of all, this is my Notion workspace. So I am going to add a page by clicking on this plus sign, and I am going to create a flow chart. This is the flow chart which I am going to create. This is on Visio, that my laptop is not charging and I want to check out that what is the problem. So first of all, I am going to give it a title, laptop charging problem. So after you have given the title, you will click on plus. So here you have to write Mermaid. Basically, this is the language to create flowcharts. So you will click here and it is showing an example that how it will work and how it will show. This is the code and this is graph. So you can write here a graph or you can write here flowchart. It will work. So for example, I am going to write here flowchart. Okay. Then then it will ask me that what is the direction it should be from top to bottom or from left to right, as mostly chart built from left to right, so I prefer this left to right. So first of all I am going to start my chart flow chart. So see, as I write this in this closed brackets, so it is showing as start. After that, you can add arrow to show the line, and then after start, I have started it. So I will write laptop not charging. So I will write first letter of this and then write in close bracket laptop is not charging. So it is showing here that laptop is not charging. The length of this line depends on these how many dashes are you going to put here. So you can increase it or decrease it. Its functions, types of line, I will show you later. So first we will build this chart, then I am going to show you more details. So after laptop not charging, so you can add text as well. So for example, I am going to write L as this means that I am going to continue this laptop is not charging, and then I am going to add a new line, but before adding a new line, I want to add some text. So for example, my laptop is not charging, so I will write here. So I want to add here. So this is the text, and then I will write my that why it is not charging. What should I do? So I will write here C. C mean it is the first letter of the text which I am going to write. For example, what will I do? I will check switch, and then close bracket. So laptop is not charging, so check switch. Once I have checked switch, then what I will do? So I will again going to continue this. I will continue C, and then I will add if, then adding mode if. I will check if my uh, power plug in or it is in or not. So I will write here P, first letter of power. So power plug in. So thus then actually I am going to give it a decision point that I will check if my power plug is in or not. So what I will do,